Why aren't your phones ringing even though you're a licensed plumber? You've got the skills. You show up on time. You fix the leak, clean up, and leave the place spotless. But still, no steady leads, no repeat calls, and no idea why your schedule's half empty. Here's what most plumbing businesses miss. People aren't calling the best plumber. They're calling the plumber they can find online. No Google profile, no fast replies, no follow-up after jobs. You're not invisible because you're bad. You're invisible because you're not showing up where it matters. Want more leads? Set up your Google business profile. Ask for reviews. Follow up. Use tools that make it automatic. Want to know more about how to grow the plumbing business? Drop grow and we'll send you the full blog.